Today in the grain market, soybeans were down. A Brazil analyst is estimating that there will be a record crop this year, but it's still early to tell. While this week started a little bit lower, trade is largely sideways. We've been in that same range from 1105 to 1170 for the past number of weeks. So today, January was down 9.5 cents to 1128 and a quarter. But futures did start higher before it's really started to sell off. March got down to 1137 and a quarter. Option open interest didn't change much, but we still have more puts than calls at this time. CVAL's at 16.7%, with oil at 27.5 and meal at 22.5%. Corn was lower as well, with better weather in Brazil. And in spite of the fact that export commitments are ahead of last year, significantly actually, but still didn't offer that much support. But again, we are in kind of a sideways trade. Today, March corn was down 3.75 cents to 444, with May getting down to 352 and a half. Option open interest there from migrating from the December expiration has been kind of slow, and we do have a few more puts than calls, but it's hard to tell this early in the cycle. CVAL for corn is at 14%. Wheat today was lower, with world wheat growing areas are improving there. For example, Argentina is expecting a bumper crop, as well as the European Union is expecting to do well there. And with March today was down 6 cents. We got down to 532 and a half, and May getting down to 541 and a quarter. Option open interest there is pretty even both on calls and puts, and that is really a change over the last 9 months or so. So that's just something to watch as we go forward. CVAL for the wheat is at 21%.